equator, full of oxygen, rich ecosystem, save trees. We call them earthlands. It is important. Rainforests give oxygen that we breathe. Trees bring clouds and rainfall. No trees, no rain. Medicine comes from plants. What can we do? Save paper, plant a tree, don't use plastic. This month our smart living program is Mission Haritota. Do plant shady trees, save water, don't use dustbin, use eco-friendly things, don't cut trees, don't waste water, don't use plastic. Everyone say with me, I will protect trees and protect my future. Save rainforest, save